Alright guys, back again. I've got Jeff here, round 2 of 11-12 Fleer Retro Basketball, live here on Blowout TV. Alright Jeff, good luck. First box, not so great. I relinquished my picking privileges with the bottom box on the left-hand side. Hopefully this is the winner here. Alright, here we go. Again, I'll stack them all up, and we'll roll through them.
No problem, best of luck.
Thanks a lot, guys. Come on, something big, please. Something big, please. Alright, let's see what we got. Havlicek short print. Autographics of John Line. So Intimidation Nation, Grant Hill. Autograph of Chris Singleton. Jeff Capel. Autographics. And Bill Cartwright Flair Showcase. That one is 4 of 150. Hakeem Olajuwon SP. And stack 2. Steve Nash. We've got a Candace Parker Go Lady Vols inscription. Autographics. There you go. Hardware. LeBron James. Nice. The first LeBron sighting there. Shelvin Mack. Rookie sensation. Nice autograph Klay Thompson. And we got a Bill Russell competitive advantage. And that'll do it. Still no precious metal gems in the first 2 boxes. Alright, Jeff. Appreciate it, buddy.